Here at Dudley Associates in Leicester, big into injection moulding. Now we're here on behalf of Vero Software to find out how VISI works and integrates this company. Now, as a child, I've always wondered how you actually make the parts that makes your model. Now, we're going to find out today. John, I can see your injection moulding company, but we're in your tool room. But could you tell us a little bit more what you do as a company?
We're a tool maker and moulder. We decided to go down both routes because one benefits from the other. And we basically make tools and mould them ourselves for all different sectors for over the last 25 years.
And what main sectors do you work with in?
It's automotive, oil and gas, electronics, the usual, defence and some entertainment sectors as well.
Now I can see that you've got some general machines here, you've got EDM machines, you've got machining centres here as well, but you've got a very high speed machine here, and why have you got that?
We wanted the accuracy and the speed and the spindle to actually do hard machining, go down to 0.2 cutters and give us a more unique aspect to our tool making.
And is it cost effective to have your own tool room?
We believe so. It gives us more flexibility. We can offer an in-house solution from design, tool making and moulding that a lot of other companies cannot do, or they will subcontract out the tool making side of things.
So once the tool's made, it obviously goes over to your other facility. Could you tell us about your investment there as well?
Yes, we've invested heavily in the injection moulding side, replaced 4 or 5 moulding machines in the last 18 months. So we've got up-to-date moulding facilities to consolidate with our tool making.
Now, we're here on behalf of Vero Software. You're a big user of the VISI package. Could you tell me how you've developed and how you integrate over the last few years with them?
Yeah, we started by using VISI Flow as a tool to help our tool design. We had other packages doing different software, nothing was the same. So we decided to integrate under one company. We just went for Vero because it was a very good design, very good machining package, and also with the flow analysis, it was an obvious choice in one respect.
So when you first started with Vero, i.e. the VISI software, have you got the same package as when you first started?
No, we've expanded in various sectors of the VISI software, but what we found was that the flexibility from their software was allowed us to have numerous seats with different amounts of concurrent users. It was a package where you could split the design, only have one seat of that, but have 3 machining ones or 4 or 5 different viewers and whatever. So it was the flexibility that allowed quite a lot of users, not necessarily using the flow and using a license up on a whole thing. You could use flow separately as well as machining. So we found that a very good selling point.
So really you've consolidated a number of different products that you had before to VISI, and I presume that if you didn't have VISI you wouldn't be as flexible, cost effective as you are now?
Definitely not. It's allowed us not to program on the shop floor. We do 2D recognition machining was an excellent feature, which then led us to Tech Compass technology on, which has saved us a lot of time in the programming side of things. So we're finding that to be a very cost effective product.
So the skill set is not necessarily the programming the machine so much, it's obviously the skill of actually using the software.
Yes, it's you've got to know how to machine obviously, but it's you get prompted by the software and it speeds the actual programming side of things up. But also you can do everything offline, you can do it in advance, so therefore your machines are working and you can download and program your machines accordingly to what the run times are for the actual machining operation.
And what backup do you get from Vero or VISI software?
It's very good. Normally you get an answer on the phone or online within a couple of hours if you've got an issue, and also if you need post-processors doing whatever, they're very good at supporting that issues and will come on site to help you out if needed.
Well, fantastic. Thanks very much for your time, John.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you as well. Cheers.